happening now as exploded transformer about to set a complete community ablaze. Residents of Moleye Street in Alagomeji, around Yaba area of Lagos State, have cried out for help after a transformer in the area exploded and caught fire. An eyewitness who filmed the incident pleaded for help to come fast. Watch the video. Thank you for listening to this news. This is what we are talking about. Now it's happening now. What are we going to say about this? Who are we going to lament this to? Who are we going to cry to? What are we going to do as regard this? You see that? You can see. Who are we going to cry to for this? I think I did a video as regard to something of this nature. I complained. I gave two instances. I gave the first instance saying that we, the residents, sometimes are the one causing making buildings to be on fire. Why the other instance I gave was that I said that the government, those in the power sector, are the cause of fire inferno taking place in communities or in some buildings. Now it is happening now as we speak at Alagomeji at Iyaba. There is an emergency. Now from this YouTube channel, please, I beg you to please push this video fast so that it will get to residents of this building, those who are residents to this building that are not at home, because now it seems nobody is at home and buildings in Alagomeji at Iyaba are ablaze. So they need the people living in those houses to come around and save their properties, because this is going to be a very big tragedy. We are talking about a transformer, a complete transformer. The transformer is ablaze now as we are speaking to you. So I don't know you, but I just tried my best to try to coverage this and send through this blogging channel my viewers. I'm telling you the level at which we experience fire outbreak in Nigeria is becoming outrageous. I want to believe that the Minister of Power, Raji Fashola, is taking note of all this that is happening. Our power sector individuals, staffs, I don't know what you people are doing in terms of this issue. I don't know. Sometimes, yes, we blame the minister as well, but then the more of the blame should go to the staffs, because these staffs, sometimes their carelessness is becoming too much for my liking. They now focus only on money and forget about what they are called to do. It is totally wrong, completely wrong. I don't subscribe to this kind of a thing, and I will never subscribe to it. Something should be done with immediate effect. Something should be done. The people should be rescued. The people should be saved. Something should be done, like seriously. I call on the Minister of Power to do something about this, because aside from this building that is ablaze, day after day we keep recording fire outbreak in different communities. Yesterday there was one. Yesterday there was another one there for yesterday, and now we are having another one, and this same one is caused by a transformer. You can imagine. I remember while working with the Ministry of Agri, the same we were given a transformer. I tell you that this transformer never lasted for a month before it packed up. How did it pack up? Explosion. Thank God the people in that ministry happens to be residents, so they were able to be at home to witness the fire outbreak. So the NEPA people came and took away the transformer. After taking it away, it took them 6 months to bring another transformer to a place like Ministry of Agric. Is that not crazy? A business center. People that are taken to be their prospective customers, that they're supposed to bring their transformer. In fact, if under 24 hours, they're supposed to bring their transformer for them. But it took them 6 months to bring another transformer for them. Bringing another transformer for them, my dear, the transformer packed up again under 2 weeks. As I'm speaking to you, before they were able to bring a good transformer, they changed that transformer for good 5 good times. 5 good times. A lot of people packed up. Business packed up. A lot of people left the business in Ministry of Agric. You can imagine. That is what power is causing. That is what power is causing. That's what power is causing. So, my viewers, let there be a solution to this situation, because things are getting out of hand. Things are getting out of hand. We can no longer keep this or condone this. We can't condone this. If the president can condone it, the people cannot condone it. And that is why we have commissioners, and that is why we have ministers. If they cannot do it, then look for capable hands that can do it. Okay? Do it. So please, my viewers, I use this medium to reach out to you. Deem it fit to come in. Say something about the situation. Let us both voice out. Because if we don't voice out, the government will not know that something of this kind is happening somewhere. They won't know. Okay, now look at what I am doing right now. Only those who are in this channel, who are subscribers of this channel, will be able to know that, okay, this something of this kind is happening somewhere. She can see that now. Okay, and that is why I keep encouraging people to subscribe to blogging channels. It's not necessary that you must subscribe to this channel, but just get yourself attached to a channel so that you get yourself enlightened and get yourself informed. Because information, they say, is wealth, unlike what I am passing out right now. If looking at people of that stays in this residence, or in this residence that is at place now, they need to be informed of this tragedy that is about to befall them. If they don't do something about it, I'm afraid, very, very afraid, they will meet an empty building by the time they arrive home. And that is why God will never allow such to happen. All right. So please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.